Good evening, everyone. I'm Sanjay Minaria, a practicing chartered accountant by profession. In this very short clip, I'll be discussing about the collection of tax at source by the seller of goods. In the Finance Bill 2020, a new subsection 1H was introduced under Section 206C of Income Tax Act 1961. As per that section, every seller of goods whose turnover during immediately preceding financial year exceed rupees 10 crores, then in that case he need to collect the amount of tax from the buyer of goods. Does it mean that he need to collect tax from every buyer? Answer is no. He need to collect the amount of tax from the buyer from whom amount of consideration received is rupees more than 50 lakhs. 50 लाख से ज़्यादा का अगर कंसिडरेशन मिलता है तो उसको सेलर को टीसीएस कलेक्ट करना होता है बायर से. Does it mean that TCS need to be collected on advance part also? Answer is yes. Even if the sale amount is lower than the amount of consideration, it means that advance part is included in that consideration and tax need to be collected on that advance part also. By default, GST amount is included in the amount of sale consideration. It means that TCS need to be collected on GST part also, and it is clarified by GST department as well. Okay, but there are certain exception to this rule. It means that if seller is collecting TCS under any other subsection of this section, then he need not to collect the amount of tax under this subsection. 206 सी के किसी और सबसेक्शन में अगर सेलर टीसीएस काट रहा है तो इस सबसेक्शन में टीसीएस काटने की जरूरत नहीं है. If the buyer is deducting TDS of seller, then in that case also TDS need not to be collected, TCS need not to be collected by the seller under this section. If it is an export sale, then also seller need not to deduct the amount of TCS. Fourth thing, if it is the case of sale of services rather than sale of goods, so section specifically emphasize on sale of goods. It means that in case of sale of services, the provision of this subsection would not be applicable, and under this subsection TCS would need not to be collected. So this was all about the section, guys. Thank you so much for active listening. Thank you so much.